Okay, everyone. This here is carrots. This is chicken and gravy. And this is
chicken noodle soup.
Chicken noodle soup.
So, hi guys. We're going to be starting a baby food challenge, and we can just see what 3 of these do I like. And it's Jaliyah here, and welcome to the show. Well, let's first try
carrots. Ew.
Give me a napkin.
Oh, you took a really big
Yeah.
It's on your chin like a baby.
Well, there's one reason I eat baby food.
You used to eat it.
Watch it off.
She said, "Wash that off." You didn't like it?
No.
And this is the next stuff that you have to try. Turkey and gravy. Does it smell good?
Yeah, it smells good. I like turkey.
Chicken and gravy.
Chicken.
Not turkey. You like it?
Yuck.
Okay, that's the chicken noodle soup.
Chicken noodle soup, my favorite.
She cleaned that spoon off.
You gotta put some of them carrots and stuff.
You gotta get it
I
out.
hate carrots.
Don't be greedy.
Yeah.
I'm not going. No.
Don't be picky.
Take some off.
I know, but you gotta get the taste of everything, girl.
It's going. It's yeah. Ow.
So I guess the winner is the chicken and gravy.
Yeah.
That's the winner.
So if you have a little brother or a little sister that's eating baby food, they would really like it if you gave them the chicken and gravy.
It's good. So, comment down below. Thumbs up if you liked this video, thumbs down if you don't.